I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you. And baby, even on the worst night.
Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, of course, it's going to be about this wig that I have on my head. I feel like I haven't really been, I've been actually enjoying this time with my daughter. So I haven't been filming as many videos as I would have wanted to, but things are going to be changing. I'm going to be getting into filming a lot of different videos of my natural hair and just like update videos of my life and everything, being a first-time mom and going through a divorce. So anyways, this particular video is going to be about this wig. So this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. I worked with this company just a gazillion times. And I will keep doing it because I just freaking love their wigs. So, I love this wig in particular because I've tried blonde, brown, highlighted wigs. And I like this one because I am just loving the darker brown. Because sometimes when you get a blonde highlighted wig with brown, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it's just not this chocolate brown. And I freaking love it. It's just everything to me. The curl pattern is beautiful. I believe it's like 22 inches. I'm going to leave it down in the description box, so make sure you check there for the details. This wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It has adjustable straps. It has an elastic band, and it has combs. I took advantage of everything. This wig is snug on my head, but I did go ahead and use the Bold Hold Extreme Cream because I'm planning on having this wig on for a minute. Okay, I need this to last my daughter's birthday. You guys, she is turning 1 year old. I swear time is flying by so freaking fast. But she turns 1 next week, and well, not even next week. What am I talking about? What is today? Today is Saturday or Sunday. She turns 1 in literally 5 days. 5 days, and so we're going on a dinner, so I want to wear this wig for that dinner. So hopefully I can get this to stay on. But yeah, I used the Bold Hold Extreme Cream, and I used my contour powder to deepen up the lace, the color of it, so it can blend and match my skin tone. Let's see, what else did I do? That's really it. This wig is so freaking cute. The curl pattern is cute. The wig is lightweight. The wig, the curl pattern is fluffy. It's freaking soft. I really have nothing bad to say about this wig. This is probably going to stay in my wig stash, to be completely honest. So I can throw away my old one and, you know, have a new one. So, that's really about all I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
so exhausted.
I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, even on the worst night.